All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill, bottom 8 teeth. Okay, now this is solid gold. Actually, it's 14K solid gold. You got your stamp here on the back. You got 14K, 14K. And what's really unique about these grills is these are actually single caps and they pull right out. So you see that pulls right out. And what that does, it gives it the nice permanent style look because you got the lines in between each teeth are cut all the way through. Okay, so you get the permanent style look. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. Okay, you get free shipping in the US, quick service, and these are handmade to fit your teeth perfectly. Okay, these are not pre-made, these are real custom grills, guys. Solid gold, 14K, beautiful, beautiful mouthpiece. Check us out at blingcartel.com. 14K gold slugs. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, y'all have a good one.